Hi guys, it's me again, Isaac, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the Viltrox 85mm f1.8 STM Mark II. And this is actually my first time getting a new lens for my Sony a6400 camera. So let's get right into it. Yeah, there it is, nicely packaged in the box, the Viltrox 85mm f1.8 lens. So it's a medium telephoto lens or a prime lens, full frame, but can also be used on the APS-C or crop sensor cameras, just like the Sony a6400. So I must say I'm very impressed with the packaging of this product. Feels very premium and protective, even though I got it for right about $385 on AliExpress. I think it's worth the money. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the seal, break it, and try and get access to the new lens. I'm so excited, but I have to be really patient here. Yeah, finally I get the cover off, and first off I get the lens pouch. So this is a pouch that you keep your lens in. Once it's not in use, you put your lens in, and it feels very cotton, silky like, and this will be able to protect the lens from any scratches or dust. So next I have the download instruction manual and also the Viltrox warranty card for the lens, and these have QR codes on them. You scan them and they take you to the Viltrox website, where you'll be able to read about the lens, and also whenever you have to upgrade the lens, you can go to their website and download new firmware for the lens as well. So I'm gonna take the protective foam, and yep, that is the lens in there. Wow, this feels very heavy. And right, I'm gonna take the lens out, and yep, that is the Viltrox 85mm f1.8 STM Mark II autofocus lens. So this is the lens hood, and it's actually made of plastic, but I think it has the quality to be able to protect the lens, and it also makes the lens look so, pro-like lens, professional look. And there's the inscription on the lens, 85mm f1.8 STM with autofocus. And talk about the build quality of this lens. It's actually made of strong metal and feels very durable. And yeah, so I just took off the lens cap, and that is the lens. Wow, just look through it. That is the lens with the glass, and you can already see the bokehs forming up on the lens. And I'm taking off the bottom cap as well, and you can already see how well and built this lens is, and actually got a USB port where you can use to update the firmware of this lens to improve the performance of the lens from time to time. Yeah, so I'm putting the lens hood so you get to see how pro-like this lens looks like, and that is the inscription over there, the E mount. That means it's meant for the Sony E mount system on the mirrorless cameras. Yeah, so that is the lens. So I'm gonna take my kit lens, the 16 to 50mm kit lens, which came with the camera, the Sony a6400. I'm gonna take it off and fix my new Viltrox lens and see how good and how professional it looks. Yeah, so I'm fixing it right there on the E mount, and yep, there it goes. So I tried the camera on and it works perfectly, and this has given my camera a new look. So I actually got this lens because I wanted to upgrade from the kit lens and also use the camera for professional work. So I wanted to upgrade it and get the best images out of it. So, and as well, I was on a tight budget, and getting this lens feels more professional, and I can't wait to start shooting with it. So we've come to the end of my unboxing video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can put it in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bless up.